2.5 inches clearance. We put several pads in the press. With only one pad on the table, we have a full 2 inches plus some of stroke. At least 2 inches of stroke, probably a little more travel. Right now the release valve is very slow, so a very gentle come down. 2.5 inches clearance from the steel plate to the upper heat platen. We provided a Teflon wrap for the heat platen so you have a non-stick surface. High strength roller bearings on 2 axes. Safety switches so you cannot activate the press without both buttons being activated at the same time. This side of the press has the heat control. This side controls the heat for the heat platen. Press temp for the temperature. Currently the temperature is set for 325. Use the arrow keys whenever you want for setting the time for this side of the table. As you can see, when this side is activated, the time of pressing is 10 seconds. This is adjustable from 1 second up to 99 minutes and 99 seconds. There's a controller for the other operator on the other side displaying the temperature, but you cannot adjust the temperature on this side. However, the time on this side can be different. So you can set this either for the same time as the other side or a different time. As you can see, this side will only press 5 seconds. So either side is independently operated and can be different time cycles for both sides. Features of the press: we're going to ship separately locking casters. This way the presses can be moved very easily and the casters can be locked by putting the red level in the down position. Everything has been painted texture blue except of course for the aluminum plates and the aluminum heat platen. Very, very heavy welded solid steel construction. Heavy steel rails, framework. The upper cabinet is a sheet metal panel cabinet. And if we can view this from underneath, this is the component to adjust the flow control. So the press will come down faster or come down slower. Adjust this component right here. That's the air release valve. Just going to give a few views of the press. This is your 220 volt power. This is your air intake. They will be shipped with quick release valves. And that's your press. Currently the remainder of the 10 presses are in construction. We're just going to be wiring up the top heads and they'll be finished within the next few days. So there you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one is finished.